classic Atlantic City Boardwalk game called the Shell and the Pea. Traditionally, the game is played with 3 walnut shells and a pea. Working with parrots, that's a short game. So, we're substituting using these 3 virtually indestructible metal cups, and look, here's that orange ring. Now the concept still holds. Hide the ring, you mix it up, and we'll see if the parrot can't locate it. Now, does anyone take a guess before we do bring a bird down? Go ahead, Sweet, what do you think? This one? You want to bet some homework? You're going to bet some homework. Oh, you won! I'll give you a pie nut later, okay? That's all I can offer. All right, handsome, you ready to go? Now, folks, this actually happens to be Leprechaun's favorite game here at Parrot. Now, we will be playing 3 rounds with him. Each time he gets a round correct, I will give him one of his favorite treats. If he does all 3, I'll give him something extra special. Also, I need your help. When you believe that these are nicely shuffled or mixed up, please do yell out, "Stop!" Nice and loud. I don't hear very well anymore. I'm sure you guys can guess why. All right, so, you ready to start, handsome? I need you to back up, though, for me. Thank you. His first round will be nice and easy.
Oh, that easy?
Good boy. Nice start. Here you go, handsome. All right, so far so good. Let's speed it up, shall we? Oh, he's not sure. Oh, he's got it. Good boy. Nice job, bud. Okay, he's doing great. So, for his last round, we're going to speed it up one more time. There is a huge possibility I'm going to throw one of these cups off the table this time. If it happens, laughter to a minimum, I understand. Okay. Back up, handsome. I want to smash you the cup. Oh, he's definitely not sure. He's got it! Nice job, bud. Now, I think he would do very well in Las Vegas. Me, not so much. Okay, so, folks, just before we do get to our final game, which I've saved the best for last, I want to go over something that's very important. Parrots as pets.